Sige. Sa goal, sir, is ang backswing. Backswing is imong ikwan sa na, sir, na ang sa kuan. Ang sa backswing, and then ang downswing is downswing.
Downswing, backswing and downswing.
Backswing and downswing.
Alright, sige.
Ang backswing, sir, is that involved siya, nag-involve lang atong shoulder and atong hip. Ang sa rotation type, sir, is paana, tapos paana. Among paana.
What do you call nga paana and paana?
Ay, one, sir, nag-one siya nag-abduction siya and abduction.
Abduction and adduction sa imong hip.
Yes, sir. Ano siya kinakpan niya, nag-rotate. Pababaw siya. Tapos sa downswing is nag-involve imong hip extension and shoulder abduction and rest extension. So imong rest is nag-rotate dito siya nagpa-downswing. Tapos ang anatomical landmark, sir, is ang imong upper body. Tapos imong lower body kung sa dayon. Tungod kay lakuan man ang shoulder, imong arms, so dili siya banda, so upper body ang lakuan sa kuan. Tungod kay na ang sagop, lakuan siya is upper body at imong lower body. So para imong lower body yung upper kay lakuan siya na imong shoulder, imong rest, o imong elbow. Ang sa lower is imong hip, imong knee, at imong ankle.
Okay, how about sa downswing? Downswing.
Sa downswing, sir, is kuan, na-involve siya po ng kuan, sir, kani imong hip. Tapos imong knees tayo, sir. Kaya murag nag-bend, bitaw siya gamay. Pagpa-downswing. And imong ankles tayo, sir. Kaya murag na, ano bitaw siya?
What do you call that position?
Kaning
Dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, eversion,
flexion.
flexion. So once again, kindly perform backswing. And then downswing. Is there any follow-through movements when you downswing? Is there any follow-through movements when you downswing? For example,
Yes, sir.
okay, so what will be the action of your follow-through movement? So from backswing to
Backswing to downswing.
downswing. Now, if you do the downswing, dire lang ba restricted sa area? Or dapat allow sa inyo? Now, so pag backswing mo and then downswing, is it circumduction or na by rotation na ito? No, nag-circumduct ba ang iyang movement? Circumduction na katong full rotation. Na by circumduction na ito or wala? So, congratulations, group number 2.